going guys? Welcome back to TJ's RC Garage and I'm back with another video. And I know you guys will be like, yo, why you got lights under your RC car? And I'm gonna tell you guys why you need that and what that is in just a moment. Now I need the intro. So what this is these are called rock lights. They are okay. So first thing is, what are rock lights? Rock lights are lights, obviously LED lights, which are mounted under a vehicle. It can be RC or real life Jeeps, and they're not mounted straight. They're mounted downwards, so they point down. As you see, this is your rock lights. It's mounted somewhere there, and the light is going down and not straight into the camera. So it's uh, showing um, what's going on under the vehicle. Okay, so let's just break it down a little more. Your top. Okay, let's just remove the battery of this. Okay, so you guys need to know the difference between an LED light bar and rock lights. LED light bar is literally shows what's happening in front of your vehicle. So here's an example. Like, I don't know if you can see, but at night it shows what's happening in front. So it shows what's happening right there in front at a certain distance, depending on your, just like your this LED bulb, just like your normal car headlights, which show what's happening in front, and your rock lights are different. They don't show what's happening in front. So they light up the area under the vehicle here, and they show the driver or anyone else what's happening under the vehicle. So maybe going off-road, and there are rocks under, and you just have a headlight and you're like driving, and suddenly you just bump into it and you're like, damn, what's that? So you've got to get down from your vehicle and see what that is. So if you have rock lights, you don't need that. You just put your head out and you're like, okay, and then you reverse, and then make your way in another route mostly. So rock lights can be mounted in front of the vehicle. They're mostly mounted in front of a vehicle, but they can be mounted behind a vehicle. I haven't mounted it behind a vehicle right there, depending on your vehicle where you want to mount it. So you can see what's going on under your vehicle when you're in reverse. So that's epic rock lights. Now that's just what rock lights are. I just broke it down into small fragments on what are rock lights. And yes, I've been lighting up my RC car like a Christmas tree from the past few days. I've got 3 LED lights here. That's a light bar, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED lights right there for your rock lights. And I gotta say, this RC car is awesome with all the lights. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to install install one on your RC car. I don't know, it took me 2 hours to do it, but I was doing it for the first time, so you know there's gonna be mistakes. But you guys watch the video and install it. It's gonna be easier. You might finish it in like an hour or so, depending on how good you are at RC fixing or RCing. And I'll see you guys in. Okay, so here's a closer look on what rock lights are. So you see, these are rock lights. You can see what's going on under your vehicle like that. See, so when you're driving, you can see what's going on under your vehicle. I see that there's light all under. Yeah, I don't know if you see, there's light all over there, that area. So that's basically what rock lights are. So I'm going to show you guys how to install them in just an hour or under an hour, depending on. Okay, let's just put the light on. No, that's not the LED light, that's lights here. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna need is a screwdriver, of course, and you got to remove, depending on your RC. So mine, I had to remove 1, 2, 3 4 screws there, and 1 2 3 4 screws in front. No, you don't need to remove anything from here. So 1 2 3, so totally 8 screws. And I'll tell you guys what you're gonna need. First thing you're gonna need is your 9-volt battery. So you might be asking me, why don't I uh, what do you say, use both the lights with one battery? And yes, I tried that, and each battery requires 9 volts, so that didn't work out well. Yeah, that's tape like this, so it doesn't look like there's glue there. Yes, that's filled with hot glue there. And I'll remove all these and see you guys in a I'll see you guys. Okay, so I've removed the panels. Yeah. uh, these are the panels, and let's break it down on how to install this in a very simple way. So you're gonna need a light which probably works with 9 volt, and maybe not something this big, something like that. It's right there, 1 2 3 4 5 bulbs there, something a bit small, compact, and which fits somewhere under your RC. Is actually great. Actually, and this depends on your RC car, where you got to install it. You can install it here in front, somewhere here in the middle, or at the back, or and all 3 spots, or just one in front like I did. Okay, so let's break it down on how I install this. I'm not going to remove it because it's permanently fixed there with hot glue and super glue, so I'm not going to be able to pull it out like this light. I know you guys remember this from the previous video, I guess, on how to install lights. Yes, it'll pop, don't worry. This is your LED lights for, I don't know, $1 or something. Just go watch that video. And this also comes in I don't know how much this light comes in, because I had this lights for some time, and I didn't know where do I install them, or I knew how to, but I didn't know where to install them. Okay, so let's go. So this is your normal 5, or I don't know, you can get any light kit you want with 2 wires. So you get positive and you get negative, as you know, and you get a little, that's all you get with the light kit. You're gonna need thin wire like this, which I've used. That you're gonna need, depending on how long your RC is, till about here, somewhere till here. And then you have the 9 volt connector, and connect that from here into that. So I didn't stop the yellow wire here, it's coiled up there, and I don't know, you can see it's going there. I don't want to cut it. So that's it. You need to install these lights. Very simple. I think you're going to have most of the things at home which you're going to need to install this. You get everything, and this is the thread trick which I used here. On top here it's all, I don't know if you can see, but that's the thread trick. That's it. And the rock lights are really good, awesome. Yeah, I think I should get a running video of this specific RC. I haven't taken it out in a long time. I'm busy doing lighting up this RC like a Christmas tree, and I literally had no time to run this. I've painted the interior. This is like a review of the RC car. I've painted the interior white there, and you get a red fire extinguisher, black racing seats. Okay, all that in the next video. Go down. That's it for today's video, guys. If you want a light kit or a rock light kit and you're desperately searching for one, I'll link, if I find one of these on Amazon, I'll just link it down in the description box down below. Do check that out. Okay, it looks weird without the light. Do check that out. In the description box down below I'll have links to everything you need, from the 9-volt batteries, on the 9-volt batteries to the 9-volt connector to the wire, and I'll see if I can find the lights. If I do, I'll link them down. I'll link them down. um, and to install these lights, you might, on this specific model, I had to remove the shocks on both the sides and remove the links, and the full thing just folds up here, so I had a lot of space to put my hand in and hold it with glue and everything. It was really messy. And yes, I focus, let me see, and I burnt my finger with the hot glue gun. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go smash that subscribe button, watch my previous videos, go follow me on Instagram for on how this really burns at night. Yes, I have posts on this, how it really burns at night. And I know when I did this, you might be thinking the lights touch that, and the answer is no. You guys can see it's just like really close, but it just doesn't touch. See that? It just touches onto this black thing, but not onto the lights. So you got to check all this before installing, if it's gonna touch and all that, because once you install it and put the super glue, there's no way you're gonna pull it out easily or anytime soon, or you could break the plastic thingy or the body frame. I don't know, it depends. But that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And yes, I might be uploading every day during this quarantine period. I hope you guys are staying home, stay safe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't go out for RCing, stand, sit at home, RC inside and chill like I'm doing. Okay, I've gone out to the boat, but that was when I was alone and there's no one there. And I'll see you guys in my next video as usual. This is me signing off. Why would I even say that? No, I'm not signing off. I'll see you guys very soon. 24 hours I'll be on another video. Go watch that. Also on YouTube. Yes, I'm telling, before I even uploaded, I know. And this is magnet. See, so it's like the screws stay there. Okay, now I need the outro. Bye. Adios. Outro please.